Hello, today we are focusing on this easy to knit open work pattern. The report consists of 1 row and 4 loops. 3 of the loops are in the solid part and 1 is in the open work. We knit equally on both sides. The repeat pattern is knit 1, slip 1. The yarn is in behind, knit 2 together through the back and make a yarn over. Again, knit 1, slip 1 with yarn in behind, knit 2 together, and make yarn over. Continue knitting using this pattern until the row is complete. Knit the same way on the second side of the knitting. You can see that we knit the exact same pattern on both sides of the knitting to create a gorgeous summer beauty. Use mohair or thin cotton yarn to knit a scarf or a vest. This knitting pattern has my highest recommendation. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.